Hello there. Today, we will learn about numbers and how to count to 10. Let's see. One orange. One. Number 1. One. Two. 2 fir trees. 2. Number 2. One. 2. 3. 3 strawberries. 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fish. 4. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chicks. 5. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pumpkins. 6. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books. 7. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers. 8. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 eggplants. 9. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 butterflies. 10. Number 10. Look, there are no butterflies left on the screen. None means 0. Number 0. And now, let's count from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count again with the train. Number 0, 1, number 1, 1, 2, number 2, 1, 2, 3, number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, number 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, number 10. And now let's do it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now one more time. Zero, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's count down from 10 to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great job! Now you know the numbers and can count to 10. Subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and see you next time.